Alright guys, welcome to this page of the notes, and here's what we're going to do in the next couple of example problems. What we're going to do is I have given you a couple of pieces of information that we asked you to find in the previous problems, but now I am giving to you, and instead of me giving you the equation, right, in the previous problems I gave you the equation in standard form, you put it in vertex form and answered the questions. Well, now I'm giving you those pieces of information and asking you to write the equation, right? So we're kind of going the opposite direction in this case. So how would you do these? Well, let's go ahead and take a look at this first one and just to kind of show you how it works. First of all, what I would do is I'm going to take the information that I've been given, plot it on the coordinate plane, see if I can get a picture of what this parabola looks like, and then go from there. All right, so right away I take a look at this and I recognize, hey, I've been given the vertex, and I know that for all parabolas, the vertex is h. Okay. So I'll go ahead and plot my vertex, -2, -4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right there is going to be my vertex right there. The directrix is a dotted line. Remember, it's a horizontal dotted, well, in this case, it's horizontal, right, because it's y equals -1. So I'll go to y equals -1 and draw my directrix. Right there is y equals -1. So right through here is my directrix right there. That's my directrix, D. My my axis of symmetry, right, splits my parabola right down the middle. So it's a vertical line that runs through the vertex. So my axis of symmetry is going to run right straight down through here. There's my axis of symmetry. And at this point, drawing in the parabola should be pretty straightforward. Remember, the parabola must go through the vertex. So I know I have to go through that point. And the parabola will always open around the focus and away from the directrix. Well, since my directrix is up here and my vertex is right there, my parabola is going to have to open down. So you just draw yourself a quick little sketch right there. That's perfect, more than enough. Here's what I now know. Just by quickly plotting the information that I was given, I now know that I have a parabola that is oriented vertically and my parabola is opening down. Here's what that tells me. I go to my formula sheet. I take a look at my formula sheet, and the vertical, right, the parabolas that are oriented vertically are y equals a x minus h squared plus k, right? And actually, I already know a lot of this, right? I already know what h is. H is a -2, so I'll just plug a -2 in there. When we get to that, k is -4, so I'll just plug a -4 in there for k when we get to that. So really, in order to write the equation, the only thing I now don't know, since I know h and k, is I don't know a. But that's why I gave you the directrix. Please look on your formula sheet, and what you'll see is that the directrix for a parabola that is oriented vertically, the equation is y equals k minus 1 over 4a. Well, guys, at this point, plug in what we know. I know that y, the directrix, is at y equals -1. So I'll plug a -1 in for y. -1 equals k. Well, I know that k is a -4. So I'll plug in a -4 minus 1 over 4a. We'll look at that, right? The only thing now that I don't know is a, right? So why did I give you the directrix? I gave you the directrix so that you can solve for a. Plug in what you know y to be, plug in what you know k to be. A is the only thing you don't know. We'll solve for. I'll add 4 to the other side, which means that I have 3 is equal to -1 over 4a. I will multiply -4a, since it's in the denominator, multiply it to the other side. That's going to give me -12 a is equal to 1, which means a is equal to negative 1/12. Again, a is equal to negative 1/12, and now I know everything. There's my value of a. There's my value of h. There's my value of k. Guys, go ahead and drop all that stuff in. So y is equal to minus 1/12 x minus, careful, h is a minus 2, so I'm going to minus a minus, watch your signs, minus 4. So my final answer, skip down here, y is equal to minus 1/12 x plus 2 squared minus 4, and that is the equation for the parabola that has a vertex at negative 2, negative 4, and a directrix at y equals negative 1. So that guy right there. That's how these problems are going to go. I got a few more for you guys to do on the next page of the notes, so head on over. We'll do a couple more of these. I'll meet you guys there.